All right, y'all. So today I figured I'd share kind of a funny little embarrassing story about the first time that I took my inflatable boat out. Growing up, we always had fiberglass boats with inboard motors. So this whole outboard motor inflatable boat thing was totally new to me. And I was just kind of winging it as I went along. Watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos and kind of knew what to expect, but I had never done it before. And the body of water that we were going to, I'd never been to either. Um, but me and my daughter went out for the first time. We got the boat all set up, got the motor on it, got it down to the water. Get it in the water, motor fires right up, no problem. And we start taking off. We're kind of putting along out of the no wake zone. And as soon as we get out of it, I'm like, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and punch it. I've already done the break-in procedure, so we should be good to go. So I punch it, giving it everything it's got, and the motor just is bogging down. We're cruising like 5 miles an hour, 5-6 miles an hour, something like that, just not really going anywhere, doing anything. Like I said, the motor is bogging down, making a whole bunch of noise, but we're making a whole bunch of wake, but just nothing's going on. And I'm kind of like, what the heck's going on here? Everything I read said that I should probably be able to do like 12 to 15 miles an hour, something like that, but we're just not, we're just putting along. And so I'm kind of racking my brain. I'm thinking, what could it be? The motor's brand new. The boat's rock and roll. It's inflated just the way it should be. Um, I tried shifting my weight forward. It didn't make any difference. And then I started thinking, oh man, did I choose the wrong motor? I've never heard of Tohatsu before. Should I have gone with a name brand like a Mercury or Johnson or something like that? But I'm kind of like, nah, I don't think that's it. And I'm thinking maybe I should have gone bigger, but like I said, everything that I read said I should have been good to go. And so finally, I'm kind of to the point where I'm about ready to go home, and I'm like, well, let me flip the motor up and see if I can see anything going on back there. Maybe I picked up something. Maybe I have a whole bunch of grass back there, or a stick or something like that. And as soon as I look back there, I realize I realize exactly what the problem is. I forgot to bring the launching wheels up. The big Beachmaster wheels that I've got back there are creating a heck of a drag, and that poor little 6 horsepower Tohatsu just can't power through it. So I flipped the wheels up, and we were good to go, and we were kicking butt, hauling ass along. But anyways, I thought I'd share this little story with you guys. I know I've seen others that have done the same thing. And maybe somebody will see this video in the future, and if they're out there and make the same mistake, they'll think about this video and say, oh, let me check those launching wheels and make sure they're up. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any stories, go ahead and share them down in the comments. I'd love to read them, and we'll see you guys on the next one.